So we're often asked at Travel Wrap Company what we do differently, why we consider ourselves best in the world, which we do. And I think a big part of that is our cashmere and the quality of our cashmere.
Yeah, absolutely. And that starts right at the beginning of the process. So all our cashmere is sourced, sustainably sourced in China, Afghanistan and Mongolia. So up in the mountains, the goat herders who care for the cashmere goats will hand comb the fibres from the underside of the belly of the goat. So that in itself is a hand process. It's very carefully done.
And that's something that some of our competitors don't do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sometimes the cashmere gets cut from underneath the belly of the goat, whereas
Yeah.
we only use the long-haired
Yeah.
cashmere, and it's combed out.
Absolutely.
Which is probably a more ethical way of doing it and a sustainable way of doing it.
Yeah, it's humane. You get the longest, finest cashmere fibres, and actually that means that when it's knitted into the wraps, it gives it a wonderfully soft handle and feel, but it also means that the long-haired fibres last for much longer. So the condition of your wrap, once you bought it, will really last a lifetime.
Yeah. So that's actually, in a nutshell, what we do. What we do better. Our cashmere is a huge part of that, obviously, and that's why we knit in Scotland, and we're loved all over the world.